Hello. In this video we're going to be talking about parallel lines. Now I have the definition of parallel lines here. Parallel lines are lines that lie on the same plane that do not intersect each other. A line or plane may also be parallel to a separate plane. So I want to talk just about lines though for a moment. And on this coordinate plane I have a line here, and you can see that the line starts at 0, 0 and has a point at 1, 5, has a point at 2, 10, has a point at -1, -5, and a point at -2, -10. So if I wanted to draw a line parallel to this, and I'll pick any point, it doesn't really matter where, and I'll just choose this one right there. Apparently I'm picking -5, 3. How could I draw a line through that point so it is parallel to the given line? And what I notice is that this line grows by 5 units up every time it goes over by 1. And I can repeat this process because linear growth stays the same all the way throughout a line. In fact, this would tell us that the slope of this line is 5. So for these lines to never touch, through my blue point, I want to go the exact same amount up and over as the red line, because if they grow at the same rate, then it's never possible for them to touch. So up 5 over 1, I could go over the 1 and then down 5. Puts me right there. I think I could do it again. There we are. You can see, not a great line, not a great effort, but you can see how because they both grow at a same amount each time, they both go up 5 as they both go over 1, it's never possible for that blue line to make it to where the red line is. So this one, because it grows by 5 for every 1, it also has a slope of 5. Now I'm going to add in another coordinate plane here, and I want to use this to talk about you and a relative of yours. Most of you have an older or younger sibling. So if we consider your birthday, normally, when you're 0 years old, you are, of course, 0 years old. So, and then you grow, your age goes up by 1 year for every 1 year. That makes sense. So after 1 year, you're 1, after 2 years, you're 2, after 3 years, you're 3, and so on. Now let's say you have an older sibling. And that older sibling, when you are 0, that person is 2. But they are also going to age by 1 year for every year that you're alive. And if you think about it, you will never be able to reach the age of your sibling because you continue to grow at the same rate, and that's because the rates of change are the same. So we can say that when rates of change, or slope, is the same, lines are parallel. And we are done.